So how do you share location from Android to the iPhone? Well, let me explain it. And if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So it might happen that like these devices are from two different worlds, right? And you don't have like any clear way of connecting them. But I would say that the best way to share locations even between these platforms would be by using WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is naturally the chat application which you can use with literally anybody. Doesn't matter if they have Android or iPhone, right? And you can just set it up using your phone number. And using this chat application, you have the ability to send live location as well as just a point on the map, right? Like your current location. So for example, you have one person which you are chatting with, right? You can tap on the conversation. You can type in whatever you want. And once you go to the text field, next to it, we have the paperclip. And when you click on a paperclip, you have the abilities to click on the gallery and send photos and so on. And one of the options is definitely going to be the location right here. And when you click the location, we essentially have like the ability to continue and make sure you allow it if it wasn't allowed before. I'm going to click on only this time just for the purpose of this video, but you would probably want to click on while using the app. But click on only this time in my case, and you can see we have the ability to send the current location accurate to 20 meters, so pretty good. And then we also have the ability to share live location. So it kind of shows you where you happen to be at the moment, and you can just send the active location, which is going to get updated as you move around. That is the first option. And you also have the current location, which you can just send like so. So that's the first option. A lot of people use WhatsApp, and in between iPhone and Android platforms, it is one of the greatest ways to share it. But outside of that, you can also go to the Google Maps where you can tap on your location, right? Like if you enable location as well, you can see you can tap on your dot right like this, like so. It's gonna show you you have to be kind of precise with it, right? But the point is that you have to click on the dot right there. And once you do it properly, or if you zoom in on it, you'll be able to just kind of like get to your own location. Sometimes it works better than other times for whatever reason, right? So let me just try to do it again. So here it is, the location, which is mine. And I have the ability to share it as a point on the map, or also share it in the real time. So you can share real-time location with anyone who has a Gmail address. So you can definitely go through the Google Maps as well, and naturally it's going to apply to the iPhone or other Android devices too. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts below, and I'll see you later.